Well, Jessie and not that Apani's disappearing down Noah's shirt, of course. Great spot for a little snake to snuggle into and enjoy. Not so much Jessie though. Did Jessie used to do that, Noah? Snuggle in under him.
Especially when he was younger, when we first got him. We bring him home, let him have his first couple feeds. We got him out after his first couple sheds.
Yep.
And then all he'll do was want to go down the shed.
Yep.
And as he's got older, he's just got that no stable balance in his tails.
He's getting better actually. In coming out. Yeah, he seems to be all of a sudden coming into himself a little bit more, and not as grippy when I'm getting him out. Amazingly, I never thought I would actually see that happening with Jessie at all, but it tells me things are going really well for him, and he's obviously getting more and more comfortable with all of that, because little Apani has never been that way inclined at all. It's hard to know which one to put the camera on and which one not, but you know,
she's just hanging around Jessie.
Having snakes in your life, to me, is all importantly really enjoying having them around us. To me, that is one of the main things that I enjoy more than anything. Hence why, you know, I have my snakes in the room with me and not in a separate room. I love having them, you know, with me, and where I can see them all of the time and see what's going on with them. It is all about really enjoying living with them and not seeing them as a separate part of life, in terms of that they're a business to me, or they just need to be fed and watered and their little home rooms, but you know what I mean, kept clean for them. It's, to me, the actual living with them, and there is a difference. Living with them is them being a big part of your day, them coming out, you know, hold her properly please, Noah. Noah being here and saying to me, Nan, oh, can I get one of the snakes out? And I'll get one of the snakes out. And of course I've got Jessie, and he's got one of the little ones, but you know, Noah has no hesitation in, of course, as you'll have seen, I'll put a video up for you to see, or the card of Noah with Jessie. He can handle Jessie quite easily actually now. You know, he's getting bigger and he's getting to know each of the snakes individually, what they too are telling him that they like, that they don't like. Of course, occasionally I have to give him a heads up on how to actually make sure they're feeling secure and comfortable. I have Jessie behind me right now doing something. I could feel him nudging me in my back. Where you going, dude? Hey? Where you going? But I'll try and spin around and get a little bit of, because Apani's in Noah's shirt, so we can't exactly see her, and I have Jessie hiding behind the pillow, of course. But yeah, really enjoying and loving living with your snakes. That is what I do every day. Is I get so much enjoyment out of them being out and about, whether they're on me or off me or just doing whatever they want to do. I don't really care. Jesse, where are you going, dude? Where do you think you're going to go? You were hiding under there, were you? But that's how your experience should be. Well, Mr. Goofy, you're going to come on out? I saw you down there. I saw you down at your door, down the bottom there. Hey? Do you want to come on out? Say hello today? Hey? Do you want to come and say hello to Mum? Hey? You do? That would be really nice. I'll even help you get over to the climb out spot if you really would like me to. What do you think? Is that a good deal? I think you know so. That Jesse is not the best with his grip, but I will attempt to get him out if his tail will let go of the branch in there. Dude, I'm doing the best I can one-handed. Do you want to use the camera in some way? Oh, he's terrible, guys, for, as you know, gripping, and I know I whinge, but I don't care. It just makes it really difficult when I want to get him out and get him over to the hangout spot. Don't go too far, dude, or that'll make it even more difficult on Mum to get you. Sorry, guys. Okay, dude, you're going up there first. Oh my goodness, you're making this hard, and I have no idea where the camera is, but do your thing, dude. Get yourself comfy. Okay, can we see him? He's got his tail around my neck, so until he kind of releases that, I'll just have to make do with what you can see at this particular point. Okay, going good, dude. Woo! So it's Jesse's turn out. Really changed her mind. Look at that belly pattern. It's one thing about the jungles. They have amazing belly pattern on them. And of course, you know, Jesse is 4. His black is still quite black. But as they get older, that lightens up a little bit with age. And I'm just moving back because I want to, pardon me, shut his door and keep the humidity in there too. But Jesse's a big explorer. He doesn't so much go up there and settle as such. He will explore everything and go from one end to the other end and over and back and up, and you know, gets a lot of exercise. And for snakes that are a little bit insecure with their gripping and climbing, which Jesse can be, this is very beneficial. And it's very beneficial for snakes that do have some neurological issues going on with them. It is good stimulation and very good for their muscles Well guys, I just had to click the camera on and show you Jessie over here in this little area. And yes, I'm happy because it's the first time I've actually seen him there. So that's really good. I'm glad to see that he's realised that this is lovely and warm over this side, because of course his heat panel is up there. But over there is a perfect temperature for him to be a little bit cooler. Well, I haven't done a feeding video for a little while, so I thought, why not? And it's Jessie's turn, and I think he's just realised that there might be some food available for him. Not that you're going to see very much of him grabbing. Just don't fall over, dude. Please don't fall over. But I just noticed before I decided to give him a feed that he's made a mess down there. So once he starts munching on his rat, I will then clean up for him. But it's 1, 2, 3 tonight. I've got Jessie, Tessa and Amaya. Huh? I think Miss Tessa smells that there's food in the air, and I've also noticed that she's made a mess for me. So that's 2 messes that I've actually got to clean up tonight. And there's no video without my dog's barking. Well, I think she's well and truly ready to have her meal tonight. Oh, are you not comfortable? Hey? Oh, okay. Well, okay. She's got her rat, and also once she starts munching it down, I can really get in there and clean up. Now, I'm not sure if Amaya's going to actually eat tonight. She may not. She is in shed, so there is every possibility that she'll just go nut. I'm pretty close to shedding, Mum, so although I see a little bit of movement. Amaya very often passes up a meal, but with bright light on, she can be a little bit funny. Apani's at the door, up here, but I sure know he's not going to eat. Are you? Not interested at all? I'll just leave Amaya to it. So yeah, she's gonna eat. So that's 3. 3 snakes, 3 rats, but I've got 6 rats. So 3 more to go.